Tutto ma. Today we're going to look at sharing in a ratio. Now imagine that we had £42 and we were going to share that with a friend. Well, we'd probably give half each, wouldn't we? One friend would get £21 and yourself would get £21. But sometimes sharing isn't always like that. It's sharing in a ratio where one person might get more than the other. Let's share this £42 in the ratio 4:2. This means that every time the first person gets £4, the second person gets only £2. Okay, and £4 and £2 is £6. So that's the first thing we do. We add our ratio together and we find out it's worth £6, okay? In this case, because we're talking about money, so it's £6. What we do then is we get our £42 and we divide it by the £6, and that gives us an answer of 7. In other words, we can repeat this ratio 7 times. What we do then is we share the actual money out with the persons that involve, 2 people. So person 1 is going to get 7 times £4, which is £28. And person 2 is going to get 7 times £2, which is £14. So now the first person gets £28, the second person gets £14. And when we add these together, which you should do after you've completed a ratio share, is 20 and 10 is 30, 8 and 4 is 12. We're back to our £42. We know we've shared the right amount out. So to run through again, the £42 is shared that every time person 1 gets £4, the second person gets £2. That means our total is £6 every time we do a share. How many times can we do that share? Well, 42 divided by 6 is 7. We can do that 7 times. So 7 times 4 is 28 for the first person, and then 7 times 2 is 14 for the second person. We then add them together just to check that we've completed our calculation correctly.